Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, this is gonna be a quick one. We're gonna test the 4K legacy button of the solid state logic. Now this is the flat mode. You're listening to the Donner PO-8, which is one of my favorite microphones right now. I really like this microphone. So this is on a flat mode. The volume says 3 o'clock. We have a plenty of gain, and this is the raw audio, no post-processing. This is straight from the box. I really enjoy this microphone. So closer to my mouth, you can have an even better idea how this sounds. This sounds very good, and I really enjoy it, if I'm honest with you, because the sound from this microphone is very good. And we're gonna test that when we enable the 4K legacy button. Make sure to speak like this, otherwise you're gonna have problems with the plosives. So let's enable the 4K legacy button. So the 4K legacy button is gonna be enabled in 3, 2, 1, and now you're listening to the 4K legacy button. Wow, that's a lot of big difference in my opinion. Make sure you wear headphones to hear the difference. But yeah, let me put my finger on the button. So the 4K legacy button is on. And this is the sound. Now I'm gonna switch off the 4K legacy button. The 4K legacy button is off. As you can hear, there's a massive difference. The 4K legacy button now makes my voice just flat, which is okay. Let's enable the 4K legacy button now. The 4K legacy button is on and actually gives a little bit more presence of the voice. This harmonic distortion, which is many people like that to record their vocals. For spoken word, this actually is pretty decent. Again, 69 British pounds, about $70–80 in the States. The 4K legacy button is on. Solid state logic, let me show you that this is on. This is one of my favorite solid state logic. Can you see that this is on? Yeah, it lights red. So I'm gonna switch it off now. So now it's off, so as you can hear, flat mode, pretty decent. But when we press the 4K legacy button, the magic happens. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and let me know if you hear any difference with the 4K legacy button engaged. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to record something beautiful.